Hello friends, today we will be discussing on the articles relating to part 4 and part 4a. Just to revise, the part 4 deals with directive principles of state policy and part 4a deals with duties of citizens of India. And the articles from 36 to 51 comes under part 4 and article 51a 51 A comes under part 4A. I have divided the articles of part 4 into 3 sections for simple and easier understanding. So the first section will be dealing from article 36 to 41. Article 36 deals with definition of the state policy. Article 37 deals with application of the principles contained in this part. Article 39A deals with equal justice and free legal aid. Article 40 deals with formation of panchayats. Article 41 deals with right to work, to education and to public assistance in certain cases. And I've given a shortcut to remember the articles from 36 to 41. The shortcut is defined principles ensure justice for panchayat works. You concentrate on the highlighted words in the shortcut: defined, principles, justice, panchayat works. So you can relate this shortcut with our articles. Defined from article 36 definition, and principles from article 37 principles, justice from article 39a justice, panchayats from article 40 panchayats, and works from article 41 work. In the second section, we will be seeing the articles from 43 to 46. Article 43 deals with living wage for workers. Article 43A deals with participation of workers in management of industries. Article 44 deals with uniform civil code for the citizens. And Article 45 deals with free and compulsory education to all children below 14 years of age. Article 46 deals with promotion of educational and economic interests of SCs, STs and other weaker section. And the shortcut to remember these articles is: government announced hike in wages for workers, a uniform dress code, free and compulsory education to their children below 14 years, and thereby promoting economic interests. And we will relate this shortcut with our articles 43 to 46. So you can again you concentrate on the words written in red color in the shortcut. You can see wages, and you can relate this wages to article 43 wage, and workers, and in the article 43a you can see workers. Uniform code, article 44 has uniform code in it. Free and compulsory education to children below 14 years, article 45 free and compulsory education to all children below 14 years. Promoting economic interests, article 46 has promotion economic interests. In the third section, we will be seeing the articles from 47 to 51. Article 47 deals with duty of the state to raise the level of nutrition and the standard of living and to improve public health. Article 48 deals with organization of agriculture and animal husbandry. Article 49 deals with protection of monuments and places and objects of national importance. Article 50 deals with separation of judiciary. Article 51 deals with promotion of international peace and security. And the shortcut to remember these articles is: India's standard of living, agriculture, monuments separates India from other countries and promotes peace and security. We will relate this shortcut with our articles 47 to 51. Standard of living, from article 47 standard of living. Agriculture from article 48. Monuments from article 49. Separates from article 50, that is separation of judiciary. Promotes peace and security, Article 51, promotion international peace and security. The shortcut is India's standard of living, agriculture, monument separates India from other countries and promotes peace and security. As I said previously, Part 4A deals with duties of citizens of India, and it was added by the 42nd Amendment in 1976. Only one article present in Part 4A, that is Article 51A. It relates to list of fundamental duties.